Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on Apex Legends, all right? Or specifically your nickname. Right here, as you can see, my name right here is Made for Money. And when we go ahead over to our Steam profile, as you can see here, my name is Made for Money as well. Now, how do we change the name on our Apex Legends game? So here's what you're going to want to do, all right? Go ahead over to your profile right here, click on Profile. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and click on Profile. Right here, Edit Profile. Click on it. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to the profile name right here and delete it. Now, before you type in your preferred nickname right here, go ahead and make sure that you close the game first. Close this one, exit to desktop and hit on Yes. Wait for it to fully close, and then you're going to want to go ahead and put your name. For example, I'm going to change it to M4M FPS right here. And then I'm going to scroll down all the way down and hit on Save. All right. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead over to my library, click on Apex Legends and hit on Play. And as you can see here, our nickname or name has been changed. That's basically how we do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.